Here's a quick tutorial on how I use DIY paint and Sweet Pickins Milk Paint to flip this old vintage dresser in just a couple of hours. I use DIY paints, Prairie GRay as a base coat, just a scratch coat, doesn't need to be perfect. I love Prairie GRay, it's a great neutral color. Put in the comments, have you used DIY paints Prairie GRay? Or what is your favorite neutral color in the DIY paint line? Forgot to clean it, so we're working backwards. There was so much dust, so many dust bunnies, it's just disgusting. So Ari went ahead and vacuumed it out real quick for me. I took the drawers out because there's a lip on the dresser and I needed to make sure I can get it all painted. So I custom mixed this color. I'm loving it. It's denim with a little bit of olive, and it's got a little bit of a gray tone to it, and I'm just putting it over Prairie GRay. Last week I did a custom milk paint mix. Have you ever tried this? You have to try it. I love custom making colors, and this color came out so great. Let me know in the comments, have you tried milk paint before? Sweet Pickins Milk Paint is awesome. It's zero VOC, just like DIY paint. It's safe for the environment. It's all natural. It's actually the best paint that you could use if you want to paint a baby crib. And then you seal it in hemp oil, and it's actually food safe. So it's extraordinary, and it's so much fun to use. What do you think about this color? Let me know in the comments. Painting outside in the sun is what made this go super fast. DIY paint and Sweet Pickins Milk Paint work so great together. They're both safe for the environment, and I just love both of these paint lines. Beautiful color. If your paint starts getting a little bit thick, milk paint will do that. You're gonna want to put a little bit of water and mix it up. Hot mess. I've been outside with the wind, but it was beautiful. I was sweating. Had to bring it inside to wax it, plus the wax will melt in the sun and we don't want that. So I'm gonna be using Sweet Pickins White Wax, and to be honest, this is the first time that I'm using the white wax. So let's see how this goes. All right. Oh my gosh, it's buttery smooth. Oh, and it smells. Oh, do you smell that?
Oh wow, it kind of smells lemony.
Wow, yes. The smell. Now, normally I try to take my wax off so that I don't contaminate, but I'm at the store, I don't have anything. Oh my gosh, this smells.
It smells really good.
So good. I'm so glad I made the choice. Plus, I need to try this. I need to do something different that I've never done before. Oh my gosh, I love this. All right, here's a look back at what we started. And now this is the finished piece. It takes on different coloring depending on the lighting, and I really like that. So what do you think? Do you like the white wax? Do you like this custom color? You can totally see the Prairie GRay, you could see the blue, you could see the white wax. I distressed it so you could see the original wood laminate, I guess it is. But I really like the way that it came out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an incredibly blessed day.